Good day with good health. Our today's topic is frequent sneezing, especially in the morning when you leave your bed. Sneezing is quite normal phenomena if you have it once or twice a day, but it creates trouble when you frequently sneezes just after waking up and leaving your bed. Frequently sneezing stretches all your body muscles, damage your vocal cords, throat and also sensitive veins of the brain. Sometimes you also notice blood when you spit just after a chain of sneezes. Now first we discuss reasons and causes of this condition. First of all, check if climate change, room temperature change effects on your condition. Check dust, snowy cold weather or extreme hot weather effects on your condition. Check if you are allergic to pollen grains, smells, some kind of foods, drinks, poultry or any other. So if you know the reason behind this condition, the remedy is quick and easy. Now we take a look on remedies. In allopathic you may take anti-allergy medicine. Cetirizine hydrochloride 10 mg tablets once daily before going to bed can be taken, or Montelukast sodium 5 mg tablets one daily in the evening can be taken. These are generic name of anti-allergy medicines. You may take any brand of this ingredient available in your area, and also know only use one medicine at a time. In homeopathic you may take Formica rufa 200 or Cinnabarus 30. Take 10 drops twice a day or 2 to 4 tablets twice a day. In Ayurvedic you may take Banafsha, sweet violet, also known as blue violet. Take 5 gram of sweet violets or dried blue violets flowers and boil it in 100 ml of water for 10 minutes. Use 1 cup of this mixture after adding a teaspoon of honey. Thanks for watching the video.